Hi, Keerthana.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Before starting that, congratulations for completing the course.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Keerthana, introduce about yourself and about your college native.
Yes, myself, Keerthana, from Bellary, from RYM Engineering College. So, I have completed my civil engineer course and have joined the CMTI through my college itself. So, they have referred this CMTI for the future growth.
Okay, that's nice. Which course you have chosen?
I have chosen the IDMPI, which means Interior Designing and Site Management Training course.
Okay, in interior, what all new topics you have covered and what all you have learned?
So the software courses which I have learned are SketchUp and AutoCAD, and the theory courses which were are Cutlass, production process, and visits of showrooms and etc.
Okay, that's nice. How was the trainer support towards you?
The trainer support for SketchUp and AutoCAD, Venkatesh sir has taken the classes for us, where the sir was supportive, and for theory classes, Ishrat sir was there, so both were also supportive.
Okay, I think you have visited site visits also. How was the practical knowledge? What all practical knowledge you have learned?
So we will get to know about the factory processes which are going there. By in the theory classes, we can just listen by this. By in the factory visits, we can see and we can analyze what's going on in the factory as well.
Okay, how was the staff support towards you?
The staff is supportive. When we were site visit, they were helpful and they helped us a lot.
Okay, that's nice. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
Okay, this is a best platform for the future. I think so. So anyone can join and. For civil engineers, there is difficult for getting the jobs. So this will be a best platform.
Okay, Kitana, it was a great talk with you.
Uh,
Thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future.
Thank you.